Welcome. Today we will be taking a look at the waterproof solar charger power banks by Leeway. Unlike other solar chargers, this one is top-notch quality. It features an 18-watt power delivery plus PD fast charging technology to deliver the fastest charging time in the industry today. QI-enabled phones can charge wirelessly as well, freeing you from having to mess with cables. They come in 3 colors too. The solar bank is large, and so is the battery. With a 20,000 milliamp capacity, it can charge my Galaxy Note 8 3.5 times with only one charge of the power bank. Included in the box is the power bank, clip, instruction booklet, and charging cable. Let's take a look in more detail. Here is the solar panel. When there is sufficient light to charge the power bank, the green light will let you know that it's charging. It takes about 90 to 95 hours to get a full charge via the solar panel only. Since the charging speed is subject to sunlight intensity, solar panel size, and panel conversion rate. Please make sure the power bank is fully charged before your trips, as the solar charging is for emergency use only. Your battery indicator is here. On the side is the on-off button. Press it once to see the remaining battery charge. On the bottom is a fold-out clip for carrying on a backpack, for instance, to keep it in easy reach. On the other side is a compass, so you always know which direction you are headed. On the top is a weatherproof flap, and underneath that we have a USB 2.0 port, a USB 3.0 port, and a USB-C port, and the port to charge the power bank. Charging time is around 13 hours with a 5-volt 2.1 amp adapter, or around 7 hours with an adapter which supports a QC PD fast charger. Next to those, we have the flashlight in order to be able to see in the dark. On the bottom is the wireless charger for QI-enabled devices. Now this power bank is so powerful that it can charge 4 devices at the same time. Just open the flap at the end to plug in a device into the 2 USB ports and one into the USB-C port, and the 4th device wirelessly. The power bank will provide a powerful total output of 5 volts at 3 amps. The built-in flashlight will give you up to 100 hours of use on a full charge. To turn on the flashlight, press and hold the on-off button for approximately 3 seconds until it turns on. The flashlight has 3 modes. The first one is a steady beam. Press the on-off button again for an SOS mode that automatically flashes by itself. Press once again for a strobe flash, and press it one more time to turn the flashlight off. Its sleek design allows for easy portability, and the rubber around the case helps protect it and keeps it from slipping in humid environments. The power bank has the following certifications: QI ID 3533 by the Wireless Power Consortium and UL 2056 plus CE plus PSE certified. The waterproof solar charger power bank by Leeway is perfect for any outdoor activity like hiking, backpacking, camping, fishing, skiing, bicycling, and more. Get yours today. Leeway. Better power, better life.